Some of the biggest flavor boosts come from the smallest steps, like toasting nuts and seeds. It takes just a few minutes, but the payoff is huge, giving you a rich, deep, and nutty flavor. Let's get started. Hi friend, come on in. Today, we're talking about how to toast nuts and seeds using two easy methods, stovetop and oven. The stovetop is perfect for small batches or smaller, easy-to-burn seeds. I have warmed up my dry skillet over medium heat. It is best to not use a non-stick for this, as heating them dry can cause the coating to degrade and possibly flake. I am using a cast iron skillet. Into that I am adding a layer of sunflower seeds. Any seed or nut you want to toast can be added. Try to keep everything in a single layer for even toasting. Stir or shake the pan frequently to prevent burning. This will need about 5 to 10 minutes. It will really depend on what you are toasting. Nuts take longer than seeds. This is a new series about simple staples where I walk through everyday techniques or making pantry staples without the extra fuss. I've done a few videos before that would fit this category, but now I'm giving these simple, high-impact techniques their own spotlight as part of a dedicated series. If you want me to cover something specific, either a technique or a simple staple, let me know. Once they become golden and fragrant, they are done. Remove them from the hot pan immediately to prevent further browning or scorching. The oven method is great for nuts and larger batches. Place the amount of nuts you need on an appropriately sized sheet pan. Try to keep everything in a single layer for even toasting. Place in a 325°F or 160°C oven for 8 to 12 minutes. Because the heat is more surrounding, the nuts can get away with less stirring, but do keep an eye on them to prevent burning. The edges will toast up faster than the ones in the middle, so make sure to stir well. Whichever method you use, let everything cool completely before storing in an airtight container. These will last up to 2 weeks at room temperature. They will store longer in the fridge or freezer. These toasted nuts are a great addition to pesto, sprinkled on yogurt or oatmeal, tossed into salads, or pulsed into a topping for roasted vegetables, or even as a dessert topping. How would you use these toasted nuts or seeds? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas, and so might other viewers. If you enjoy learning cooking techniques or making simple pantry-friendly recipes, be sure to subscribe. If you liked this one, you might enjoy my garlic bread recipe linked here. Thanks for hanging out with me.